Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Elementor affiliate program, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with the Elementor affiliate program, first, visit the Elementor website. Scroll down to the footer of the page and find the affiliate program link. Click on that link to access the affiliate sign-up page. Fill out the registration form with your personal details. Provide accurate information about your website and how you plan to promote Elementor. After submitting the form, check your email for a confirmation message. Once confirmed, log in to your affiliate account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and the available marketing materials. Browse through the banners and links that you can use on your website. Copy your unique affiliate link provided in your dashboard. Promote Elementor by sharing this link on your platforms. Consider writing blog posts or creating videos that review Elementor. Incorporate your affiliate link naturally within the content. Utilize social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Join relevant online communities or forums to share your knowledge. Track your performance through the affiliate dashboard regularly. Monitor clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. Optimize your marketing strategies based on what works best for you. Stay updated on Elementor's promotions or updates to capitalize on opportunities. Engage with your audience by answering their questions about Elementor. Build trust to encourage potential customers to use your link. If you encounter issues or have questions, reach out to Elementor support. Continually improve your content and marketing tactics for better results. Keep an eye on your email for updates from the Elementor affiliate program. This will ensure you're aware of new products or affiliate opportunities. Stay consistent and patient as affiliate marketing can take time to yield results. Apply these steps, and you'll be well on your way to success with the Elementor affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.